Here we go, guys. This is part two of the Chevy Cruze head gasket. So I want to show you the kind of special tools that I used so I can put this thing on time and hold it into place that you're supposed to use, but you can use wherever you can fit. But let's start with this one. This tool is just slice and the groove of the camshafts. When you put the cylinder number one top the center, that one should slide. So the other one, to get a tensioner, well, to get a chain loose so you can remove the sprockets and get it out of the way for removing the head. So you gotta compress, and this hole, there's a plug that you pull out, you compress it, and you slide the pin to hold it, the timing chain tensioner, so you can have some slack and be able to get the timing loose. So that's down on the port. Right here we got the guide, the 2 bolts. So this one from the intake and that's from the exhaust side. So that's what we got on those. So I already have it loose. So let me show you. And I have already, I use this bungee cord so I don't drop them back or whatever, but I have them already out of the way. As you can see, they're off from the cam, both of them. So it's already out of the way, so we can get our head off. So let me show you on the bottom, the other pin that you use. Well, let me show you these marks. So I just mark it here. So this is the one that you use for top dead center. Let me show you on the bottom. Okay, as you can see, there's the hole that lines up. It's hard to tell, but there's the mark over there. That's top dead center on the crankshaft pulley. And let's take a look at the pin that has to slide when everything is on time. Alright, and now this is the pin. There's another plug that you pull out, and this is a special pin that comes with the toolkit. So it has to slide in, and that's holding the crankshaft inside. So practically those are the 3 tools you use for right now. And let's take a look on the top. And this is the key that I got. So it comes for, the big pin, the one that goes in the crankshaft, and the little ones here. And I show you when as we go how to use these other special parts to hold the camshaft sprockets. But that's how far we are. As you can see, I took the water pump off, and of course, the engine mount and the serpentine bell, and right now I'm about ready to get the head off. So I just got a couple of bolts on the side here. They're gonna be holding the head on this side, and a couple on this other side. As you can see, this one here. Once I get those loose, I'll be ready to break loose the head, and I'll show you guys on the next one. Well, hold on, let me show for one viewer that wanted to see what kind of tools I use. So I'm just gonna show the the kind of the special ones that you need. This is let's see, a T55 that I use, and this one a T45. This one's as a E10 star. Same as these ones. These are all star sockets. This is a 14 and a 12. For the viewer that wanted to know what kind of tools I'm using, that's the kind of the special ones that you use besides just regular sockets and ratchets. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's how far we are right here on this job. So just remember, this one you can use a different kind of plate. It doesn't have to be a special one, but that's the one that comes with the kit to use to hold things on time. And again, the small pin for the tension, and the big thing on the bottom. I could show you guys. So everything is set on time and everything is loose. So I'll get ready to get the bolts out from this side, and then we start loosening the main bolts from the head, and we go from there. So I'll see you guys on the next one, and the next one we'll see when we take the head off and get everything ready, and we'll see what we can find. See you guys in the next one. Bye.